I'm that case or case, and I'm working on a big DS vanity. And while I'm working on this, I want to give you some book recs. One book I really recommend is called All of Us Villains. It is by Amanda Cody and Christine Lynn Herman. If you like morally gray characters, this is a good book for capturing a lot of different personalities and how they interact with the world. If you like the Hunger Games, I think you'd like All of Us Villains. If you enjoy a little bit of that, but in a difficult situation, questioning the systems we've been put in, yeah, I think it's a good one. I recommend The Devouring Grave. There's a repeat author, Christine Herman. I feel like it's slightly more of a mystery, where you are kind of in the same boat as our main character. Something strange is going on. Like, she's a good main character where she really, she has a little ways to go to open up to people, but she is very good at sort of easily becoming the glue between people. I want to recommend Tress of the Emerald Sea by Brandon Sanderson. I would describe it as a really hopeful book.
Hey, can I show them that?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, garage.
Let me move this off here. So anyway, it is about an ordinary girl. It's about changes in yourself. She just goes on a journey, and it changes her in ways that she didn't think would ever happen and aren't things she sought out for. And it was written by Brandon Sanderson for his wife. I want to know her name. Emily Bushman. And I believe he really wrote it for her. And it was only hers for, I want to say, 2 years before he was ready for it to be more people's. It might be one of my favorite books. And I don't think that's recency bias. I finished it yesterday, but I don't think that's recency bias. If you have any book recommendations, you heard my list of things and you think, oh shoot, I know exactly what she would like to read next, and I would love to hear it, because I'm in that in-between time where I'm like, oh man, I have to leap into a new world and learn about new characters. I need to wait for that to dry. Oh, sucks. Can't just already know them and be already rooting for these people. That's crazy. I think I'm gonna keep playing, but I feel like I'm gonna turn this off and have less pressure on myself about it. I'm glad you did it. Chit-chatting with you. Any book recs, let me know. Oh, good timing. My phone is